going? You going backwards. You going backwards. Mackenzie. Oh, the car lock. I was like, what is that going on? Mackenzie, you having fun? You having fun, baby? Madison, you having fun? You having fun? Mm-hmm. You look like it. You look like a basket of fun. Turn around, Madison. Don't go to the road. You can go that way. Plenty of space that way.
Anywhere whenever she turns when I'm trying to go that way.
Plenty of space to go that way, Sugar Plum.
You want her to clean up? You got a preference for tomorrow? 9 or 10 to 11? A preference?
Go ahead and get it done.
So you think 9?
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead and get in and get on out. Hey. Be safe.
I can do something. I want to show you guys something. I did a quick trick. But guys,
You need your shoes on out here. You gotta be safe.
You really do. And keep her feet in good shape too.
Yeah. Make sure she's clear.
We did ice cream at Pavilion.
That's where y'all went.
I didn't see anybody I knew.
I came outside. I said, "Where my family at?" And I said, "They gone." I said, "Maybe they gone in the Tesla." And I said, "Nah, the Tesla's still in the garage. She didn't take it nowhere." I told you to take it up there. You should have took it up there with the ice cream music playing.
Madison wanted to drive it.
So that would have been a great reason to drive it since your daughter wanted to drive it.
no, because it's Daughter's Day.
Daughter's Day, yay! When did that start?
Daughter's Day is on Sunday and Saturday.
Sundays and Saturdays.
Because they have the day. And they get whichever they want. So, today is Daughter's Day.
Today is Daughter's Day.
It's on Sundays and Saturdays.
I like that, Daughter's Day, so we get to have fun on the weekend, right?
So today is Saturday.
We had popcorn. Remember we had popcorn, me,
Dad,
you,
look
and
right
Mackenzie?
here. Look at my legs on the car.
We had popcorn.
Dad, look at my legs on the car.
Are you listening to Daddy?
Look at that.
I see. Are you listening?
Yeah.
So we had popcorn on
Yeah,
Saturday.
I heard that part.
So we had Daughter and Daddy Day.
Yeah, but that was Saturday. So,
You had your own popcorn bucket. Mackenzie had her own popcorn bucket. Mackenzie, come
Where's
this way.
your popcorn bucket?
You gotta make sure we're always watching Mackenzie. All right, and you. Yeah. Yeah, I need to take them off. Yeah. I should pull it out here and clean it. This way. Go this way, baby. Go that way. It's right there. Mackenzie, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.